Today I read vocabulary words. Level B, Lesson 4, Bright Start. Now let's get started. Welcome to our lesson today in Bright Start. On this lesson, we're going to be coming to Unit 2, Rocks. So in this lesson 4, we're going to be learning about we've struck gold. Wow, that's a nice thing. And we focus on some rocks that are very, very expensive. We're focusing on these kind of rocks and now what are they? Well, now let's get started. Okay, now gold. We have gold, a kind of things that we have here. So gold is a precious rock. It looks kind of like having a shiny, lightning, bright yellow, right? It looks very nice and it is for rich people who can buy it. It is very, very expensive and it's very hard for others to buy if they're not rich, right? Just rich people, they can buy it. It worth a lot of money. Well, it's not usual, okay? The next word we have a clear, hard, and expensive kind of rock. Well, this piece of rock looks kind of like this. It is expensive kind of rocks. It's usually small and it is shining brightly, right? We have diamond. Diamond is diamond. You see it has been curved in sizes, okay? It has been curved in sizes together to make into shape. That's not curved and not hard, right? Just equals, right? Well, it looks very nice and many people love these diamonds. They're not pretty expensive, but they're still expensive for people to buy it. It's kind of like something that's very nice for someone to give us, right? Okay, the next word we have something that pretty that you wear on your neck or your fingers, okay? Well, these are something that are very pretty. Maybe you can wear these on your neck or your finger, right? So these are called gems. Gems can be different kinds. It can be diamonds, it can be any kinds of things that we have, right? Well, something pretty that you wear on your necks or your fingers. It's kind of like a gems, but now it's made into pretty things. Something that you wear in your neck or your fingers or your ears, right? Well, what's this thing called? What's this thing that we say? It's called jewelry. Jewelry is something that we wear, okay? The next word we have here is to try to find something. If we're trying to find something, right? Try to find the things together. Then what does it mean? Try to find something, right? You're trying to find it. It's called search. Search. You search for something, right? Maybe this boy, he's searching for maybe a ladybug, right? He's searching for the ladybug or any kinds of insects that he wants. On this plant, maybe, right? He can search anything that he can have. Well, okay? Search means to try to find something. Okay, the next word we have digging under the ground. Digging under the ground. Well, if you're digging under the ground, then it's called what? This word already say what it means, right? Digging under the ground is digging under the ground. Well, what's this called? It's called mining. Mining. If you're mining, then it means you're doing something. You're finding some kind of stones. Maybe you're finding gold or these those diamonds, right? You're digging under the ground to find something. Minding. Maybe if I was a minder, then I would search for things, right? I would go down, 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 then I would search for golds or maybe diamonds, right? Or other expensive kind of rocks, right? I tried to dig under the ground. I tried to mine. I tried to dig under the ground to find something, okay? The next word means to give money to buy things. Or maybe if you're giving money for others to buy something that's called pay. Pay, right? If you're paying, maybe you're doing something with others. Or you get money to someone, so it means pay. Pay money for. You can pay money for anything that you buy or you want to have, right? So we have pay, paid, and paid. Pay, paid, okay? Pay, paid, okay? So to give money to buy things, okay? The next word we have bright and full of light. As something is very brightly and full of light. It's called shiny. Shiny. Some bright and full of light. It's called shiny, like these jewelries, right? Okay, the next word we have here is hard to find. Hard to find. Well, something is hard to find. What does it mean? Maybe if we have something that we want to find, but it's too hard, it's hard to find. So what is it? It's called rare. Rare is hard to find. Rare, okay? The next word we have here is not hard. The opposite of the opposite word of hard. What is it? It's soft, right? It's not hard, but it's soft. Soft, right? It's not hard, but it's soft. Okay? The next word. We have to get something by paying money for it. So if you want to get something, you paid for it, then you have that thing. Then what is it called? It's called buy. Buy. Okay? To get something by paying money for buying it. Or maybe we can say that we're shopping for buying, right? Shopping and buying have the same meanings. They really have the same meanings of each other. So we have buy, bought, and bought. Buy, bought, bought. Okay? Remember, bought. It is kind of like a difficult word to pronounce. Okay, the next word we have foolish. Very, very foolish. Then it's called crazy, right? Or we say stupid or nuts, like this boy. Okay, the next word we have not outside. So maybe if we're not outside, the opposite of this is called inside. Inside. Not outside, right? It's inside. Not outside. It's not outside. It's inside something, right? If we're inside something, we're not outside of that thing, right? Then it's inside. Not outside, remember like that, okay? The next word, to imagine what will happen. You think and you imagine what will happen. In real life, okay, remember. To imagine what will happen in real life. To imagine, it's called to guess. Guess, maybe it's kind of like something that can be true or it can't be true. It is untrue, maybe, right? But guess is kind of like something that we can say if we're correct or wrong, right? Any things that we have. Okay, the next word we have to make a hole in the ground. To make a hole in the ground. To make a hole in the ground, it's called dig. Dig, right? It's called dig. Okay, to make a big hole in the ground, it's called dig. We have dig, duck, duck. Remember, duck. Duck can be someone's name too, right? So to make a hole in the ground, maybe someone's has a name called duck too, right? Remember it, duck. So be careful. Okay. The next word we have here, being far, 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 far down. So maybe we have a word that says being far, far, far down. Then what does it mean? It's called deep. Okay. The next word we have a natural flow of water. It is a natural flow, not humans make waters, right? This is natural. It's for nature. It's called river. And the last word we have here is lake. Water is surrounded by land. It has water, but it's all surrounded by the land, right? So maybe if we have land that's surrounded by water, it's different from the lake, and we call it island. One last time, say bye. See you next time.